And I'll fall by way as soon to me a teenage. San your man and it's in your mouth. Susan, look at it not that.
Barrow, elevator. Before you know somebody is reasonable, it obviously will come from the way the person speaks. It doesn't say the way you have to wait. Reasonability tonight, Mama was zero.
Bit my second one, say your bed. And I'm not the show, man. Not to so one of 3 pounds. You couldn't remember 5 nada. No one. Who the best someone? Listen, just for Pinaja, banana day. I bet this can be.
All right.
I want to get down with this and not smoke my wife.
Lovely people, you are welcome to the J's podcast. And then, as you know, Charlie, and never be discussing multiple dating. Should it be encouraged? Is it good for us as Gen Zs, as human, as a person? What do you think? Well, I feel my feelings are supposed to be kept for now and ask them. You guys, what do you think? Multiple dating.
So personally, when it comes to dating, I would love to quote because I don't want to get it wrong. Dating. I just want to read for you guys to understand me. I understand.
Okay, fine. At this point, you are trying to get us to understand you, but then you are confusing us. Are you quoting or reading?
Okay, so
I'm reading.
Listen, okay, so
So I don't want to. So personally, I feel with my understanding of dating, it's right to date multiple people.
Good.
Relax.
You're go.
It's very okay to date multiple people because the word dating, it's just getting to know somebody. Going out with the person to know the person. That is why I wanted to read for you to get a clear understanding of it. Do you get it? I'll say dating is a stage of romantic relationship in which individuals engage in activities together, often with the intentions of evaluating each other's suitability. Do you get it? So according to the definition that I read, it means that getting to know yourself before you proceed.
Okay, so at this point, let me correct. So I said something and I repeat. As Gen Zs, as this. No, we are not actually talking about what the internet is saying or whose definition. In the Gen Z's era, when you say dating, it means 2 or more people, one or the other, be in a relationship romantically. That's a, should I say, the accepted thing for the Gen Zs?
Okay.
So let's say people in a relationship. Is it okay for you to date more? What am I even saying? For you to be in a relationship with 1 or more people?
I get that topic, but personally, I would love to go by what is there to be said, but not changing it because we are Gen Zs. Do you get it? So personally, I think it's okay to double date as many as you want, because to me, you're getting to know them. Get to know them. When you get to know them and you want to proceed to a different level, that is the normal understanding.
And then I'm telling you that's not what we are talking about. We are talking about people, 2 people being in a relationship. Like, let's say one guy dating 2 or 3 people, one girl dating 2 or 3 guys, be in a relationship. We are not talking about. I'm talking about Gen Z thing. This go-go thing.
I'm not mainly talking about go-go thing, but I'm telling you my understanding of dating. I'm a Gen Z too. Okay. Am I not? Okay. So me being a Gen Z, my understanding of Gen Z, yes, I will talk to as many people that I want to talk to.
It's not about talking. Being in
that is my understanding of dating.
Relationship.
So that's your understanding of dating?
Yes.
No, we are talking about that's what we want to talk about.
Yes.
Multiple
and
dating,
I am telling you,
being in a multiple relationship with people. That's what
romantic. So change the topic. Then it's not dating. Because if you're in a romantic, dating is not being in a if you want to take it to another level, that is what he is talking about.
Oh, so you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Okay. Then let's flow.
Okay. Do you get it? So if you want to elevate it and you romantically start something with a person, that is when I would say you don't have to be with another person.
Okay.
Do you get
just
it?
One person.
Yes. That is when it elevates to that level romantically. You people you start doing things, then things, do. Until then, 100 people be in the queue. Let's talk. I mean, I'm still choosing my choice.
Okay, so personally, genuinely, emphatically, tickly, I think one person is okay. Because personally, I love like so hard. I can't share my feelings. When it's you, it's just you. I can't give my pecus to any other person, you get. I can't go out. I don't really have the time to be dealing with. Why won't you let me talk? No, why won't you let me talk? Because that is how I feel. One person is okay. Because, and you're a girl, okay, for me, I'm talking for the ladies.
Talk for yourself.
Talk for yourself. Talk here.
I feel mete yare. Mete sunsumniama. See,
hey! Sunsumniama. I don't mean pet, you know. Sadia, only your baby, tia. I'm say, and I'll for by ya sunsume tanich. San your man at Tinio.
Are you saying no? But that I don't.
Susan, you can actually not that. I said, I come, yeah, come. Since you never match Susan in that.
Oh my goodness.
Date too. Also date to Berman the auto one man who's character. Also farm man to boss.
Now Obaye. Obaye.
Who is cow for all of us.
So what are you saying? Are you for or against the topic right now?
I said now make an maybe Mike. Maybe I didn't farm man too. Maybe I won't say but I will see. Because maybe for example, my friend be no date your baba. Obani hunti unsuade because on Uniska by that time na me Uniska no na me chance you forgetting money pesca ba me can on tia say dem me can say and make sense
the people now also forgetting man on pesca you're dating two people at the same time
dating two because of say at that time na me maybe I may okay kakra. Because I don't tell you, I'm a maybe I'm a headache. A queer money. But no, near Juma. But what's okay, fine. I'm not the answer no date tobacco. But I'm getting stressing on. They make out to say, and I catch you. I also found mad too. What I say, because the way any one, we ever solve issues nowadays. I'm out.
Pressure now with the Bema, with Marco.
What's Marco?
To be crass, will say we know Kona because and you talk across so at that point of the month, at that time of the month for the ladies, no. Obawe a time we drew now that we couldn't even corner on. Obawe
sanity. And no more. Check. Say you blind. Say yeah, months not start pan episode girlfriend bound chain. Or friend us we the menses. Also for Babu Cow. Also for your ending honor. On the menses. Adam that first weekend on the end more ending. And the ending in the end some not first weekend on the Mommy,
just say one mama I don't want to be speechless, but some can be sure. Since we are putting it on this spot, okay, right now, romantic relationship, and your reason for dating two people is, and okay, fine. Your reason for having a romantic relationship with two people is the fact, say, one will be in her period earlier the month, the other will be in her period later in the month. The romantic relationship now, and only what you just said. The fact that one will be in her period earlier the month, the other will be later part of the month. The whole person you want to have two. That is what I want us to talk about. That is the relationship, the romantic. So your reason is sexual base. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, no.
Let me understand you.
Listen, and your baby and other fan, sorry to say, not you feel. Or baby on the mouse, Shiana, on my dear than the 3 months say and cotton a baby near Chile. But to be so I don't feel. I bet you'll settle down. I bet you'll say, oh, come now, maybe a page, maybe you see, You see, JPP. You see. But Oba bi on ma say me kasa Oba bi wa opechile. Sa Oba den Oba be ho abroad. Okay, so Oba bi on ma. Ore fancy no ma two right now. Ba kwa gin ni fi. Ba kwa gin fi pa.
What's your definition of an dream fee?
Did you make a baby on ma? Baby, any so any energy so bra.
Okay.
But to be on my energy so already.
And to say our point, me say, or bad, dear, and you can say date more than one.
Bad, you so, or bad,
are you for the topic or against the topic?
You don't need to know what they can any day.
Or bad, you or bad, you old DNS for Bema back. Then it's not, but Bema, dear, for 2 and a half.
And to obey to me, I worry, but over side chicks.
The
side chick, no one worry. Into also date too, not also one a boy or no person worrying. Is it not double dating?
Come on, Ben.
Mike,
yes.
If we are where you, baby, our channel call you about reasonable. Right now, I just want to let you know that because of what she said to me, I feel send your poor to me. I feel because of what she said. No hard feelings, but I would say it's also watching with you because at the end of Bema me person me know what's number catch me say because me person me fam mom you know because at the end of the month no ba kubuninsa na me need the other one. I mean that is a talk of I don't want to say a child but somebody who is not matured.
Well, so are you saying that most of the people who are married to 2 women
no, being married is different from going out with them.
No,
being married. We have a
party girl back. Now I pay housewife so back. You're not doing your
money. That's what you said. If you get married,
you said it here. You said it here right now.
I didn't know
listen.
I'm trying to be boy for me. Shame me.
By the way, back with you, what you said. So if you marry, we have some religion that accepts polygamy and all that. If you marry the person, it's different. So if Saudi worry, not say our religion permits you to marry another person, I'll worry before. Nobody will stand somewhere and say, oh yeah, that's one. Good. But if behind me, in your head, you know it's illegal. What can go for because of if you call the person side chick. If it's the right thing, why don't you marry the person?
No one is calling the other lady a side chick. We call them the other lady.
You call them other lady. God is watching both of them. God is watching.
What you say?
The other lady.
So no
me, I'm wearing the ring, and you're telling me somebody that's
nobody.
When I am there, you can't.
Nobody is married to you. What we are saying is that when I go to her, you are the other lady. When I come to you, she's the other lady. That's the point. I'm dating both of you.
But then I'll bet differentiate. It's about quadring with
no, wait.
I know that you can be the other lady.
So,
what you're saying.
Ladies near 2 as I'm not making.
So until last stop here 2, or you can do more.
Oh, sometimes we even do 3 or 4.
Why? Yeah, not 5.
And wait, okay, good. So for your reason, if Mike, I am dating you right now. Let me be honest with you. I'll add about 4 to you.
No problem.
Because what I need in a man, there is an ability to make Paul Bema na honestly, because of what she's saying right now, I don't get it from you. So I'll probably have to add about 4 people to get that.
I'm coming. What do you need from a man or in a man?
Right now, personally, I need my man to be ambitious. I need my man to be reasonable. But there are some, before you know somebody is reasonable, it will come from the way the person speaks and the thing the person says.
Okay.
Now, say the way you have to be reasonability.
Let me ask you, to Amonu Zero, why do you still have him? Why do you still keep him?
I will not even give you.
Wait. What she is saying? Because what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say. So you see, and you don't even know the guy is NYANSA. But say one kasa NYANSA now. Who's the guy NYANSA?
I think I
why would you keep?
Oh, for real, me you go. But the whole thing is, it came out from the fact that the way the reason he gave for having multiple people, and I'm trying to tell him that if I have somebody like him,
are you saying that your spouse, or do I even use spouse? Your partner's actions will influence your actions.
Exactly. Yes.
So why then do you stay? If you need a reasonable man and then he is not reasonable, why then do you stay?
Maybe I was saying worry or be.
And because and I
say Oscar something, and I say Ebio to me too.
So let me ask you. Is he then a bit more reasonable to me too?
And I said, I can't say they were more. Obi wo hone na advice won pay aduane no am school kom depending eti aduane no de ne yempem a otumi try reverse wheelbarrow, elevator, ni na ultimate. Sane man ehun because if you no na be worry. But power you have to spice up your marriage. When na ekunu no bebre e kwa abonten for let's say
lessons.
Mutie me, zoom my mouth and listen to me. I am telling you girls that I will be in the bow enwa. Na you don't really want to be with him, but nzama want to be. You can keep him. Today, okay, show the a besia, moko krom na moba, mompentamaza bo mo na towel, she draws, she lingerie mo for utu. Enwa, that kind of man, you have to keep him because you have to spice up your relationship, your marriage when you grow. It's not about the style when day. Apart from that, if you know Oscar, he can invest in your business. Another way foot to be the mouth. Young queer day, the men penasem. Another day. If you know when you sing, he's actually older than you. Until we never be what we are seeing or bet me a catch up. Beshan! No, I'm your papa, sister, shall not for. But if you can get more, neda can what if you are now Nazam walk around 2 minutes. 2 minutes so the one function they don't find every it's in your baby could be what Jim Nero con any muscular funny bina.
You know, Mamma girl.
And you see, all these things are coming from somebody who is actually single. Boy, no need.
5 years. Come on.
Honestly, I don't agree with what she's saying. One
drama.
Because sweetheart, there's no time to waste. I expect say
no way. Benyin bia be most. Or you want to do sin problem. This am be so for my baby on page mo mama twa mo mic an. Baby on page mo. Wo pe dey benyin no tete mo won wood. Ami dey me man kasa me adwuma. Enti benyin ni nyi won pa mo tom. But most of the girls now are beniwa. One pebble. It's enya kofi na enya kwab na enya asante. Na enya a champion ne papa so akamu. I aim of 5 million.
You don't even need a champion, you need his father.
Aim of 5 million at the end of the month. Hey, mo pede mo bozi wa ade. But social media no that since you be a hair shop. Onye do be ala. O school no go class. Also hair shop.
Listen.
Ama me ye do to for say ko to for microphone. Mo microphone.
Listen, you can't say because of what you see on the media, somebody is progressing whilst you don't know what the person does. Because motivation. Of that. No. Yes. Honestly, me personally, those people are never motivation. They are growing. They're in there. No. Those people are never a motivation to me. To you. Because you can't tell me, say, I should go out with multiple people. Are you schooling or you're working? Right now I'm schooling. So you don't have any like hand job? I have some petty stuff that I do. No, like inside no, I don't. Inside. It will be one. Kawa be kwa kwahwe Kennedy da pompo na nyina ya. No. The fact that I will definitely do my own job as time goes on. It's never a reason for me to go and double date. I feel you are a lady. You are rather wasting your time. But mind you, we have a biological clock. They don't have. Why waste your time? They should be in the queue. No. Listen, good. That is what I'm saying. That is my understanding of dating is if you are getting to know the person. But if it progresses to a romantic relationship. Getting to know the person, not the work of gender city.
So you know what?
No.
The conversation is getting heated and it's getting so interesting. And you know what? You're actually going to pause after some few minutes or even end it here. Should I even say end because you are still going to continue? But for the sake of time and your data. We want you to also leave your comments down below. But Charlie, just as you're saying, as a man, just get at least like 2 or 3. You for good reasons. For good reasons. Well, you're a lady, I don't care. But for
listen. My main who's here? Only member 5 called us here. Now we need to see how the best one. Maybe so.
By this time, Benny's and one.
Maybe so. Just me a question.
By this time, why do you know yet? Because Jay-Z.
I don't want it's your mom when you know my mom. Sister. I mean, cousin, she'll be bit my second condom. Say your bed. And I'm not the so man, sister. Also, man, so one of 3 pounds. I never and you there, funny, whatever. You have to say, you condom. But only member 5 nada. No one. Who the best someone? And the best someone. Listen, I just coffee na job na Jay. I bet this can
all right. Yes. Before we continue, guys, we're actually ending it here. As in,
my 5 now. Make me with a mic, me na my 5.